This module on perimeter and area will introduce you to the equations required to calculate area and perimeter for a range of two-dimensional shapes. It will also introduce the algebra skills necessary to rearrange formulas to solve for a variable other than perimeter or area that's found within the formula. We'll do perimeter and area calculations with shapes that have dimensions that are in the same units, as well as when unit conversions are required. Test your skills with the following two practice questions. A contractor wants to carpet a master bedroom and the attached walk-in closet. The blueprint plans are as shown. Carpet costs $28.50 per square yard. What is the cost of carpet for the master bedroom and walk-in closet? Pause the video and do the calculations on a piece of paper, then choose your answer from the multiple choice given below. For the same room, estimate the number of drywall sheets needed to drywall the walls of the ensuite bathroom. The drywall sheets being used are 4 by 8, the height of the room is 8 feet tall, and the pocket door that's shown in the diagram is 3 feet wide. Again, do your rough work on a piece of paper, pause the video while you're doing it, and then select your answer from the multiple choice options given on the screen. Great work! That introduces some of the great ideas that will be covered in the next lesson set. Enjoy!